Now I can make miracles with these tempos. Flip a brick, pimp a bitch, and check a buster on the intro. Get my cash on, swag on, ride clean and then mo. While playing hoes like Nintendo. But on the cool, I just fall back and analyze the scene. Make my scheme stay focused, although I fantasize and dream about the money, the bitches, nigga, and everything in between. I realize what I'm chasing and manifest it with a thing. The soundtrack to my life ain't really everything it seems. You only hear what I share. Some things remain to be unseen. Deep in the eyes of the beholder. Let me enter your thoughts and train your mind like a soldier. On a mission to get it, would you miss it if it were right before your eyes? Or would you know to seize the moment and own it if it arrived right before you? It's my time to shine, I've been on my grind, I thought I told you.